easy go.
Guys, what's going on? Thanks for tuning back in. Get right to the video. Today we got a quick one of how to change out your hood scoop inlet. I have not found a video online yet, so I'm going to make a quick one of how to actually take it out from the bottom side inside the hood and just pop this out nice and easy. As you can see, mine is peeling like crazy. This is a plastic piece. After I drove through like a rainstorm like over a year ago, it had a little chip in the center and it's just been peeling back ever since. So I was going to get it taken off and painted, which would take a little process. The car would have to sit here for a second, but instead I actually found a crashed Evo with a white one already that was in great condition. So I'm going to go ahead and change that out. Might get the other one painted again just to have on the back side, but I don't see people with this problem too much, so hopefully it won't peel again. So let's get right to it. Alright, so flipping over this new one that we're going to put on, you can see that there's going to be 3 screws right here, 3 10mm. And there's going to be 2 up front, and then just 2 little plastic clips that are going to help hold this thing in. So what we're going to have to do first is we're going to have to go ahead and get this this little heat shield off. Some of the tools we need here, going to have your little precision flathead, also a normal flathead. You want to get your thinnest as possible. A little 10mm wrench. I do have a little magnet tray just for the bolts when we get them out. That's about it. Alright, getting right into this. You're only going to need a couple things for this. You're going to need needle nose pliers so we can get out these 3 little prongs style things down here. And then I got a little precision flathead for these little clips right here, which will pop out. And my own personal, I just got a little microfiber too, so hopefully I don't scratch this thing up. And I'm going to try to be super careful because I have been warned that you can put creases in this aluminum pretty easily because it's so thin. So we're just going to take our time and take them out. We're going to start with these 2, and then we'll try to work up on the prongs, and then we'll pop that last one out. Alright, so first things first is you're going to be really careful and get your needle nose pliers right on the center of this. You're just going to squeeze those in a little bit and slightly pull and do some little twisting. Eventually it'll come out of its little groove, and that's that. Try to apply pressure to it and trying not to bend it or break the clip. And I'm actually trying to go around it a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, I kind of bent this thing up a little bit. So when I get it out, I'm actually trying to bend it back to make it a little more flat style, which is definitely a pain in the ass. But this one did pop out, and it seems to be that it just pops out of a little square from the backside. So we're going to try to get it in this one too. I did kind of upgrade myself to a little bit, still thin, but to an actual screwdriver.
I met you, it was easy come, easy go. Until I met you, it was easy come, easy go.
And there we go. Now we'll pop that nice and clean, thank God. Fell right into the valve cover. We'll get that out, and then first things first though, let's look around for our pliers because we're not prepared. Now I'm going to reach down here, grab that third one really carefully. Again, a little twisting motion to it. Boom. Bam. And there it is. I got the heat shield out. As you can see, it did not damage up anything, or seems to have not been any creases on this. So we'll put this to the side, and then we'll start taking our 10mm out. And as I said, this one that I kind of jacked up a little bit, I will try to re-flatten. But just to show you a little bit more of a close-up on this, this is the weirdest little plug ever. So yeah, you literally have to just get behind it as close as possible, almost getting more into one of those little grooves, and you just got to pop it right out like I did. The second one went much easier. The first one I was trying to be a little soft too, but no, you just got to get some force to it. So get in it. All right, so now that this is exposed, we're gonna have the 2 10s on the top right here. There's gonna be 3 on the bottom. Now after getting all 3 of these out, as you saw on the other little piece, there are the 2 little clips here. So from the back side, I'll get my pliers and I'll just pop those out instead of trying to forcefully get it out or something.
Can we get high? and take it slow. Easy go.
And there it is, guys. Got the other one out with all that nasty crap on it. Nice and easy. We'll probably, like I said, go get this one sprayed now, just for the backup or for the resale. But let's go ahead and grab this new one and pop it right back in. All right, so with the new one out here, we're gonna go ahead and just come through the back side here. Lightly put it in, make sure it's lined up. And super simple. You're literally just going to push it in to get those two clips, and then you just put a little soft torque on those, and we'll put the heat shield back in, and that's it. We'll see the final product. And as you guys can see, there's barely any pressure put back on those. Just remember that that whole piece is plastic, and you don't have to put that much force. I mean, the plastic clips alone hold it in. So these are just like security blankets. So after you torque it down with just your hand, just give it a little baby quarter turn, and you'll be good to go. So let's go ahead and get this heat shield back on. All right, guys, now getting onto the heat shield, you're gonna go ahead and just kind of prop it up here for a second. I want to get one of the bottom ones in first, and that way I just do a corner here, and then we'll pop those in, and then I'll work on kind of tweaking back that plastic one that I kind of bent up a little bit. So you're going to go ahead and grab this. You're going to grab it right in the center there. Kind of go to the center one. Boom, more in it. Then I'll go ahead and grab one of the little flat tops for the up here, little squares. We'll pop that back in, and then we'll work these other two, and then we'll go ahead and work that last one in, and we're done.
Easy come, easy go.
And the last one, guys, I kind of flatten back out, just kind of prying it in like that. Doing it on the corners, and that way, when I put it on that flat surface, it'll kind of push it out, making it flat.
Easy go.
Go ahead and pop the hood down and check it out. Oh, beautiful. And there it is, guys. Give me a little push down just for the clips there again. Absolutely gorgeous, perfect. No chips, rocks, nothing like that in it. No peeling paint. Hopefully that one lasts, opposed to this other crappy one. As you can see, like, especially when it's off the car, my God, it was getting embarrassing. So glad we got that changed out. Guys, I hope that helped you guys out, because again, when I searched for something, I could not find anything on how to get this thing popped out nice and easy. I read some stuff on the forums with no proper videos, so hopefully that gave you some confidence to do it yourself. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, comment in the section below. Besides that, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next video.